Oh God. I'm dying.
Bro, are you okay?
Oh no, I New Year's resolution too hard. Oh.
Wait, it's only February and you're already dead from your New Year's resolutions? It was that hard?
Uh-huh.
So what are you gonna do for the rest of the year? Whoa, did you just die? Did he just... Yoink. What's up, rock stars? I'm Mighty Mike and back with another episode, this time with 30% more light free. Yeah, we were going for a Halloween theme and it totally wasn't me forgetting to adjust the settings on the camera. Enjoy. So, 2020 marks the start of a new year, also a new decade. So that means it's a good time to take stock of our financial situation and take monthly actions to improve our financial control. Here are the top 5 ways to start 2020 strong. Number 5, mapping out a spending and a savings plan. Rather than thinking of savings as just some boring thing we do, think of instead of the upcoming vacation or the impending retirement or sending a kid off to college, or maybe you have other nefarious plans like world domination by building a bunch of Death Stars. That seems like a very doable number, right? To help with your financial world domination plans, use tools like Mint, goodbudget.com, or my personal favorite, personalcapital.org to help systemize your savings. Speaking of savings, number 4, automate your savings. If you can, avoid lifestyle inflation at all costs. Lifestyle inflation is where more money you have, the more problems you have. Try to keep your expenses low and simple. Yeah, just got paid, got some money in my wallet. The hell was that? Did you? It's payday, gonna go buy me some nice things. Here I go. What was that? All right, I don't know what that was. But I got paid today. It's a good day. Oh God, what's going on? Oh my God, stop it. Stop, please stop. That bill monster, it would get you every time. All right, automating your savings all starts with setting realistic savings goals by calculating how much you could reasonably save or afford to save each month. Once you have a grasp on your own finances, you can decide how aggressive you want to go with your savings goals. And then once you carve out some extra savings because you've been now embracing what brings you joy and getting rid of what doesn't, increase your automatic savings by that exact amount. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. And then your biggest issue is what to do with all that extra money you've been saving from all your raises and your side hustle money that you've been making for all that real estate investing you've been doing, because you've been working with me, right? You see the wing? Number 3, review your financial situation. All right, so this is real talk. Life, unfortunately, likes to throw curveballs. And the biggest curveballs of all are medical expenses and death. So make sure you update your beneficiaries, make sure your contact information is all up to date, and the most important people in your life know your plans in case a situation comes to pass. If you don't have a will or a trust, now is a good time to create one. Go ahead and check out the link down below in the description, freewill.com, in order to get started on your own free will. Now, if your assets are a little more complex, then you're probably going to want to speak with an attorney about drafting one for you. And just because you're broke and have no money doesn't mean you don't have assets. So definitely look into trust funds in order to protect your family and yourself. Trust funds aren't just for the rich people. And while you're at it, make sure you make a list of all these important documents for your beneficiaries and stash them somewhere other than your mattress. Number 2, make sure your beneficiaries know where to find your passwords. Fate willing, none of this happens to you anytime soon, but if something does happen to you, they'll need access to financial accounts, but also they'll need access to those same accounts to cancel any recurring payments that are hitting them. Whatever you do, the last thing you guys want to do is end up like this.
About $140 million in cryptocurrencies have been frozen in user accounts of Canadian digital platform Quadriga CX. Its founder, the only person with a password to gain access, died suddenly in December. Quadriga CX owes a total of $190 million to its 115,000 affected users.
Woo, yeah, I'd be punching a whole bunch of people in the face if that happened to me. LastPass and other password storage services not only protect your sensitive data, but they can also set it up so that in the event something happens to you, your beneficiaries will be allowed access to your protected accounts. And then finally, number 1, pick 2 big financial goals for this year. These 2 goals can include getting out of debt, paying off high interest credit cards, increasing your income by $1,000 per month, buying a house, learning how to invest in stocks, or taking a family vacation. And just imagine what accomplishing these 2 goals would do for your life this year. Map out a plan on how you accomplish your goals. Take time to do this in writing. It will help you focus on them. Now, this could be a lot to bite off in one sitting. Perhaps you could set aside at least 1 day a month to dedicate to taking actions on these goals. And it's probably best to calendar a day into your calendar so where you can spend time alone or with your spouse and plan. And I promise you, you'll feel like $1 million once you get it all done. All right, rock stars, so what do you guys think? Have you achieved your financial goals from last year? And what are your goals this year? Go ahead and leave your comments down below in the comment section. And if you guys are looking to purchase a home in the Central Florida area, let the Rockstar team get you home.